You think you're helping your snake plant, giving it a nice home. But what if I told you the container it's in is actually plotting its demise? That's right, these silent sturdy beauties, also known as mother-in-law's tongue, are hiding a secret underground operation. They're called rhizomes, and when they run out of space, they turn into plant assassins, ready to crack ceramic, choke roots, and stunt growth. Today we'll expose the truth and show you how to repot your snake plant like a master gardener, ensuring it thrives for years to come. Yes, repotting your snake plant is absolutely necessary for its long-term health, even though they're famously slow growers. While these plants enjoy being slightly snug, their thick spreading rhizomes can eventually become a serious threat. Leaving them in the same pot too long causes the soil to compact and lose vital nutrients, creating poor drainage and a recipe for disaster. This simple act, giving them fresh soil and a little room, is the ultimate health boost. Your snake plant is sending you secret signals when it's ready for a change, so don't wait for the pot to break. Key signs include roots visibly circling the surface or peeking out of the drainage holes at the bottom. If the entire pot feels unusually heavy or water just sits on the surface, it's a clear sign the soil has compacted and needs an urgent refresh. And if you see numerous Sansevieria pups crowding the mother plant, it's definitely time to intervene. Timing is everything. Choose spring through midsummer, when your mother-in-law's tongue is in its active growth phase, for the smoothest transition. Water the plant a day before repotting. This softens the soil and lets the root balls slide out easily without damage. And remember this critical tip. When extracting your snake plant, always grip the leaves near the base to avoid snapping or creasing. Once the plant is free, it's time for a quick but critical root inspection. Look for roots that are soft, mushy, or discolored. Those are signs of rot. Remove them immediately with sterilized scissors. If the old soil smells foul or moldy, toss it completely. Old soggy soil is a breeding ground for bacteria and fungi that could reinfect your healthy roots. This is the final and most important step. Choose a pot only one size bigger than the old one. Bigger isn't better. Oversized pots trap moisture and cause root rot. Place your plant upright, centered in the pot. Use a gritty, well-draining cactus or succulent mix. And as you add the last layers of soil, lightly tap the sides of the pot, helping the soil settle naturally around the roots, eliminating those hidden growth stunting air pockets. Don't panic if your snake plant looks stressed right after surgery. That's normal. Avoid watering for one full week. Let those roots settle in the new dry soil. Keep it away from harsh sunlight. Think of it as plant bed rest. Once you see new growth, resume your regular watering schedule. And for a little recovery boost, add a diluted liquid fertilizer after 4 to 6 weeks. To keep those leaves growing straight and tall, rotate the pot every few weeks so all sides get equal light. You've now mastered the art of repotting. You've foiled the snake plant's secret plot to self-destruct. You've given it a new lease on life. Now, prove you're the master gardener you are. Hit that like button, subscribe for more plant secrets, and tell me in the comments, what's the oldest snake plant you own?